Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to increase glutathione level in your body. Glutathione is a vital antioxidant, often called the master antioxidant, playing a key role in detoxification and immune function. Low levels can impact your overall health. Fortunately, there are several easy and natural ways to boost your body's production. We'll cover dietary choices, specific nutrients, and lifestyle adjustments that can make a significant difference. Let's dive into these practical strategies to help you feel your best. Eating sulfur-rich vegetables is a fantastic way to support glutathione production. Think about incorporating more broccoli, cauliflower, kale, and garlic into your meals. These foods provide essential compounds that your body uses to synthesize glutathione. Additionally, consuming high-quality whey protein can supply cysteine, a crucial amino acid for this process. Don't forget selenium-rich foods like Brazil nuts, which are vital for glutathione's function. Making these simple dietary swaps can significantly impact your levels. Beyond diet, your lifestyle choices play a significant role in maintaining healthy glutathione levels. Regular physical activity, even moderate exercise, has been shown to boost its production. Aim for consistent movement throughout your week. Furthermore, ensuring you get sufficient, quality sleep each night is crucial, as your body uses this time for repair and regeneration, including antioxidant synthesis. For some, N-acetylcysteine, or NAC, can be a beneficial supplement, providing a direct precursor for glutathione production. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting new supplements. To summarize, boosting your glutathione levels involves a multifaceted approach. Focus on a diet rich in sulfur-containing vegetables, lean proteins, and selenium. Combine this with regular exercise and consistent, good-quality sleep to support your body's natural antioxidant defenses. These simple, consistent efforts can lead to noticeable improvements in your overall well-being. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to help you on your health journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.